Well, you can find the total amount of the function from 0 to 2 by doing this. And we could do this with u substitution if we didn't have a calculator, but just for time purposes here, I'm going to use a calculator. But are you okay with integrating that if you had to?
I think that's where I messed up.
Okay, then that's fine. We can do that. So I would say this is far too complicated to do it instantly, so then it's probably a u substitution. So this could be the same thing as 2 du 1 over the square root of u. So I picked u to be the thing under the square root. So this becomes my du. I need it to be 8x, and I only have 4x. So I multiplied this side by 2, which means I would have to multiply this side by 2. So this is why I have a 2 du. Are you okay up to that point? Then to actually integrate this, I would probably move that up and write it as a 1/2 so that I could raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. But I do need to evaluate this. And this, I think, is probably the most common mistake. It's no longer from 0 to 2. 0 is for x, but it's u equivalent. You got to plug that into your u thing here. When x is 0, u is 1. And when x is 2, u is 9. So when you switch it from x's to u's, you have to switch it from 0 to 2 to 1 to 9. Okay, so now if you plugged in the 9, you take the square root of 9 first, then you plug in the 1, the square root of 1 next. Subtract those values, you get 4 times 2, so I would go with 8 in the end. Oh, wait, that's not all. Sorry. Almost making a mistake here. That would be, I did all of that just for the total, but this question wants the average value. So this is like from 0 to 2, it changes 8 total, but that's over a distance of 2. So if you divide it by that, that's the average. Take the total, divide by however much you're changing in distance from x, and then that gives you the average change for the first unit, for the second unit, for a total of 8. Okay, anybody else want to ask something more specific about 16 before it's gone?